you all doing today? If you're new to my channel, welcome to Kiddoskoral. I'm Heidi. Today I ran and went to Costco. Excuse the bubble gum in my mouth. I had a salad. It had a ton of onions in it, and I knew I had to talk to people, and I didn't want to blow them away. So be grateful I had gum. I was going to show you guys just this quick mini haul of what I purchased today. And because I know you guys like to see, so I'm going to show you guys what I bought from Costco. Okay, I'm going to do just a quick pan of the table. I just bought a few things, not a lot. But my big item was this trash can because I have been needing a new one forever. And these were on sale this week. And so I purchased a new trash can, which aesthetically mine looks horrible. And I'm always like conscious that it's going to get in one of my videos or something, and I don't want anybody to see that nasty thing, so I got a new garbage can. Not my usual buy, but I did get a rotisserie chicken. They just smelled really good, they were fresh, and this is what we're going to have for supper this evening. Something quick and easy. Got some strawberries, some blackberries. Their blackberries looked divine. Does those not look scrumptious or what? I got some mushrooms because I cannot keep mushrooms in this house. We eat them in our salad. I saute them with chicken. I do everything with mushrooms. I love them. I bought a Caesar salad kit. I love these. You guys know every time I go to Costco, I am usually purchasing one of these. Plus, they're very inexpensive compared to the regular grocery store. I bought some organic organic butter lettuce. I just wanted to read the title and I had to hold it close to see it. But yeah, I got some butter lettuce. Doesn't it look pretty? It just looks so pretty in there. Anyways, I'm crazy like that. I got some coffee because, you know, I can't live without my coffee. I bought some of the chicken and apple bratwurst. I bought some of those. Dylan got these French bread pizzas because he needs something quick and easy for lunch or whatever, and so that's what he picked out. My little dog is coming back up here. I don't know if you guys can see him. Right there he is. And then I got a small bag. Can you notice how small this is, right? Of spinach. We've been eating a ton of spinach, so I opted for the big bag. And that is all I bought. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I know I didn't buy much, but I know you guys enjoy seeing what I purchased from Costco. I hope you all are having a fantastic day, and I'll be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys.